Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start fast. Scoop away excess acrylic with a dull knife, moving from the edge inward so you don't push pigment deeper. Once done, blot with paper towels. Pressing repeatedly picks up paint. Do not rub because friction spreads the stain. Next, test a small hidden seam with your chosen cleaner, 70% isopropyl or dish soap, so you know how the fabric reacts. This step matters because jeans vary. Testing prevents color damage before you commit to stronger solvents. Once tested, you apply a small amount of dish soap directly to the stain and work it in with a soft brush for a couple minutes. The soap breaks acrylic binders. Make sure to rinse from the fabric's reverse side so water pushes pigment out rather than through. If the stain is already dry, switch to rubbing alcohol or a dab of acetone carefully. Use a cotton swab, not a soak. This targets the paint and reduces fiber damage. Ventilate the room when using solvents. You finish by laundering the jeans with a heavy-duty detergent on the warm setting the care tag allows. Then air dry so you can inspect the stain. Heat from a dryer can set any remaining paint. If residue remains, repeat targeted solvent work and rinse, then wash again. Persistence often pays off. One key troubleshooting tip. If the fabric fades, frays, or the dye shifts, stop home methods and take the jeans to a professional cleaner for color-safe restoration. Doing more at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.